Hi, I'm Christian Pelletier from Portable Winch. Today, we'll explore the forestry accessory kit our experts assembled for you. So, we start with the item, the pièce de résistance, the famous unblocking cone. As you can see, this debarking clamp has a 20-inch opening and is used to attach to the end of the log in order to lower the log to the ground and prevent it from getting stuck on any obstacles. It greatly simplifies the work and maintains the cleanliness of the end of the wooden bay. In order to affix our debushing cone to the front of the tree, we will utilize the sling chain. The sling chain is equipped with a needle that enables easy passage beneath the wooden abbey and a hook that is sufficiently open. So we will install the sling chain around the tree. We will then insert the needle into the nose of the cone that we will come to attach with the flat hook, which will be attached to the end of the rope. In the kit, pulleys are often needed in the forest. If you have purchased an accessorized drone, you already have a pulley. In this forestry kit, we put a second one, so with 2 pulleys, there are several possibilities. We can increase the load 3 times by using 2 pulleys to gain mechanical advantage, or we can also deflect in various situations. And that's why we also have a sling. So to attach the pulley to a tree, you will use the sling with the carabiner. These accessories make life easier when going into the woods, and they're convenient to use with another eye. We hope this capsule has been helpful to you. We wish you a good day and lots of pleasure.